This program transcends the definition of a mere course. It is the definitive strategic operating manual and enterprise-grade framework, a bespoke commission for C-suite executives, global private equity strategists, venture capital partners, and high-net-worth investors who demand absolute total command over the most lucrative and defensible segments of digital commerce. This tutorial provides the most granular, exhaustively detailed, and legally vetted operational, financial, and technological blueprints for the immediate identification, proprietary validation, full-scale launch, and hyper-scaling of a high-ticket drop-shipping enterprise designed for generational endurance. Our singular, uncompromising focus is on asset classes characterized by massive proprietary profit margin potential and the intrinsic capacity to generate multi-decade customer lifetime value (CLV). Bespoke luxury furnishings and architectural elements, certified advanced industrial automation systems and robotics, specialized scientific research equipment and laboratory infrastructure, high-fidelity audiophile installations and acoustic engineering solutions, and custom-engineered B2B infrastructure solutions for data centers and smart cities. These are not just markets, they are fortresses defined by a formidable, deliberate higher barrier to entry requiring specialized knowledge, deep capital, and the unyielding ability to command unassailable market pricing power. Our core mandate is to move irreversibly beyond conventional, low-margin e-commerce theory, applying rigorous financial engineering principles, proprietary cognitive load optimization techniques, and a fortified global supply chain resilience protocol to systematically secure irreversible market share monopolization and guarantee exponential, verifiable return on investment ROI across all capital deployment. This comprehensive framework is the guaranteed vehicle for your transformation into the unchallenged digital commerce authority, enabling sustainable generational wealth creation and establishing a durable, self-perpetuating financial autonomy structure. Module 1. Hyper-scientific niche cartography, quantum validation, and the intellectual property fortification protocol. This foundational module is dedicated to achieving niche sovereignty through the quantum mechanics of niche validation, utilizing advanced econometric models, time series demand analysis, and behavioral science to isolate, risk assess, and financially engineer a winner. We commence with the absolute doctrine of high barrier to entry fortification, detailing the exact proprietary algorithms for selecting premium product archetypes that inherently repel capital-deficient, transactional competition. This includes mandatory structural characteristics such as negotiating exclusive global distribution agreements, navigating and securing complex regulatory certification, for example, FDA Class 2, 3, European CE marking, UL, ETL standards, and forcing patented technology licensing compliance checks, and verifying the capacity for intricate field installation, post-sale calibration, and multi-year service requirements. You will master the deployment of advanced market cartography tools for granular demand elasticity analysis, focusing on the correlation between price points, the psychological effect of perceived scarcity, and buyer propensity to commit capital. We conduct exhaustive global competitive intelligence audits, meticulously scrutinizing the logistical acumen, digital footprint equity penetration, and financial leveraging of incumbents using proprietary proxy data to strategically pinpoint and exploit untapped profit pools with maximum velocity and minimal systemic resistance. This section provides the complete, documented methodology for identifying and legally defending highly specific, hyper-targeted micro-niches, for example, cryogenic fluid management systems for biopharma or acoustically transparent home theater infrastructure that exhibit concentrated, high-intent, and consistently high-budget beer behavior. Crucially, we cover the most intricate elements of global legal architecture and fiscal compliance, ensuring ironclad, continuous compliance with complex multi-jurisdictional tax treaties, for example, VAT, GST, sales tax nexus, preemptive adherence to evolving data localization and residency mandates, for example, SHREMs to implications, and the establishment of robust, independently audited e-commerce financial governance protocols for large-sum, high-frequency, cross-border transactions. The module culminates in the absolute zero-tolerance intellectual property fortification protocol, a multi-stage supplier vetting program that mandates comprehensive independent factory audits, SA 8000, ISO 9001, the legal securing of perpetual, non-revocable usage rights for all digital assets and proprietary data, negotiation of exclusive territory distribution agreements with contractual performance clauses, and the mandatory structuring of full, non-recourse business interruption, political risk, and advanced cyber insurance policies to totally mitigate all vectors of systemic global supply chain volatility and operational exposure. This ensures total control from raw material to final installation. Module 2, Conversion Command Center Engineering and the Advanced Neuropsychology of High-Value Procurement, converting C-level clients, institutional buyers, and high-net-worth individuals necessitates a high-velocity conversion architecture that operates on unimpeachable technical authority, cognitive consistency, and the meticulous management of cognitive load and decision paralysis across the extended B2B sales cycle. This module delivers the absolute execution blueprint for your digital storefront. You will command the construction of hyper-converting landing page ecosystems engineered specifically for the extended, consultative B2B sales cycle. This architectural paradigm mandates a shift from passive product display to an immersive, real-time, and data-driven digital experience architecture, integrating live sensor data feeds for inventory and logistics tracking, interactive specification configurators with instant pricing updates, and AI-driven customer support chatbots designed to handle complex, specialized technical inquiries instantly, reducing critical response time to milliseconds. We implement the ultimate, non-negotiable evolution of the EAT experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness framework, requiring verifiable third-party technical authority endorsements from recognized industry bodies, securing top-tier ISO certifications, and showcasing extensive, auditable financial case studies demonstrating quantifiable ROI and payback periods for similar corporate and governmental clients. We then architect a peerless, multi-channel, multi-touchpoint strategic lead nurturing system, integrating enterprise marketing automation platforms with advanced, specialized CRM systems, SAP S, for HANA or Oracle Cloud, capable of predictive lead scoring, intent modeling, and real-time behavioral segmentation across all known corporate contacts. You will execute automated, context-aware personalized drip campaigns that deliver contextually sensitive market insight reports, detailed total cost of ownership TCO analysis, and personalized, multivariable offer matrices with flexible financing options, scientifically forcing prospects through the funnel from initial marketing qualified leads MQLs to a contract-ready sales qualified lead SQL status, minimizing leakage at every stage. We delve into the deepest layers of premium beer neuropsychology, mastering the ethical deployment of anchoring bias by introducing strategically detailed high-fidelity reference value points early in the sales funnel, implementing situational scarcity based on finite installation team capacity or component lead times, and leveraging the immense sociological influence of social proof derived from verifiable competitor client testimonials and industry awards. Furthermore, we execute an adaptive conversion rate optimization CRO program utilizing continuous, parallel multivariate testing MVT and rigorous sequential testing across all critical variables, for example, financing partner options, multi-year service contract language, uptime guarantees, and performance guarantee structures to continuously enforce and maximize net profit margin. Module 3. Global Logistics Sovereignty, Financial Engineering Supremacy, and Irreversible Enterprise Valuation. The final and most critical phase is dedicated to solidifying the operational sovereignty and financial sustainability required for unchecked global scalability and a guaranteed high-value acquisition. Exit. You will construct proprietary, stochastic financial models specifically calibrated for the extreme volatility inherent in the high-ticket global supply chain, extending scenario planning across a 10-year horizon. This includes performing exhaustive sensitivity and scenario analysis across variables like geopolitical tariff imposition, extreme climate, force majeure events, dynamic currency hedging performance, and long-tail recurrence rate modeling across diverse corporate segments. We detail crucial calculations for the true fully loaded cost of goods sold COGS granular all-in customer acquisition cost CAC per channel, including consultancy and sales team overhead, and scientifically validated predictive modeling of customer lifetime value CLV across specific corporate and institutional segments. This module mandates the implementation of an enterprise-grade ISO 31000 compliant risk management framework. Critical attention is focused on achieving global logistics sovereignty by securing exclusive multi-year fixed-rate contracts with specialized air and sea freight forwarding consortia, establishing mandatory chain of custody protocols for cold chain and high-security logistics for sensitive equipment, and mastering complex international Incoterms, for example DDPCIF FOB, and stringent customs brokerage compliance. We detail the indispensable protocols for multinational tax optimization, utilizing advanced transfer pricing strategies, double taxation treaties, and permanent establishment rules to ensure full global compliance while enforcing maximum fiscal efficiency and profit retention. Crucially, we mandate the full lifecycle management of high-value insurance claims and the execution of hyper-efficient, high-touch reverse logistics and returns processing to protect brand integrity and capital in the luxury segment. Finally, we provide the full executive framework for e-commerce business valuation, detailing the necessary financial audit standards, for example, GAAP, IFRS, recurring revenue model fortification service contracts, consumables, and the comprehensive intellectual property portfolio protection and patent filing strategy required to maximize your final enterprise valuation for a successful, substantial acquisition strategy, or a seamless, high-yield business succession transition, fully securing your goal of financial autonomy and undisputed global market dominance.